Hey guys, so today I want to talk about a miracle worker. This is the Gliss Hair Repair Oil Elixir. It has argan oil and vitamin E. And I literally saw someone talk about this on TikTok and I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it. Because I obviously dye my hair and it can get really dry sometimes. And I could never find like a hair oil that like moisturizes my hair, but it's not like super oily, you know, those oils that leave your hair like all like not feeling soft or whatever, like very heavy for your hair. And so I got this and it literally leaves my hair super soft. I always tell my friends like, dude, touch my hair, and they're like, what? It's on your hair. It's super soft. I put it on like after I take a shower to detangle my hair, or when my hair is dry and it's like a little bit puffy, it needs some like taming, or I just love this for moisturizing my hair. I usually just take about this much and I do this and I distributed it all over my hair, and I just love how it moisturizes my hair. It leaves my hair leaving super soft, and it also smells amazing. So definitely, if you're looking for like a moisturizing hair oil, I swear you won't regret getting this. Like, you will have your hair feeling super soft, super moisturized, shiny, super healthy looking. So yeah, definitely try this product out. It's amazing.